Okay, this week in plant science, you guys are going to be filling out a table using a soil texture triangle. And we would have had you look at an actual triangle. If you scroll down to the bottom of this website, you can see a triangle here. But it's kind of complicated to do through distance learning, so we're going to have you use this online soil texture calculator. So if you look at the Google Doc that you will be filling in, the table, you'll see I put an example in purple in the first row. So I'm going to show you how to use this just so that there's no confusion. So the first thing you're going to be filling out is the percent sand. And in the table, the example I gave you, it said it was 25% sand. So you click on the box and you enter 25. Then the next thing you're going to be filling out is the percent clay. And in the example I gave you, it is 30% clay. When you're done with those, you're going to click on this box right here that says Get Type. So you click on that, and it fills in these two boxes right here. So it tells you that it's 45% silt, and you'll put that number into your table. You'll see I did that already. And then it tells you it is clay loam, and that's the type, the texture of soil that it is. So if we look back down here, you'll see that it put a red dot where it lines up to the percentage of sand and the percentage of clay, and I'd love to show you that, but for some reason it's not allowing me to draw lines that you can see. But if you take a look, that dot lines up to 25% sand, and if you go over to the clay, it's on the 30 line, and then it lines up to 45% silt, and it is indeed in the box for clay loam. So when you're done with this one and you want to start, you just go back and hit the reset button, which is right here. And when you hit it, everything will clear, and then you can enter in the new numbers. So it's really that simple. If you have any questions and you're my student, just send me an email or remind. If you're Mrs. Barbosa's student, you can contact her, and we'll be more than happy to help you with anything if you're still confused how to do this assignment.